Have you ever wondered why your knees, ankles, or knuckles sometimes make popping or cracking sounds when you move? That noise isn't your bones rubbing together. It actually comes from tiny bubbles in the fluid that surrounds your joints. When you move, the pressure in your joint changes, causing these bubbles to quickly form and then pop, making that familiar sound. It's a normal part of how your body works, especially when you bend, stretch, or twist. So next time you hear a pop, don't worry. It's just your joints doing their job. Follow for more epic content.